Hello, I am M. Yusuf D. Memon from Matiari. Today, I teach you exercise 2 of Unit 4.3 Language Practice of English Class 9. Dear students, this is the exercise from grammar. It is about passive voice. So keep it in mind that passive voice is always done on transitive verb, not on intransitive verb. So first of all, I tell you about the tenses on which passive voice is done. This is column about tense. Here I have given a verb. For example, it is in active voice and then it is in passive voice. Number first, present simple tense. Give. In present simple, we use first form of the verb. And keep it in mind that in passive voice, we always use third form of the verb, past participle. Before third form of the verb, we will have to use helping verb. In the present, helping verbs are is, am, and are. The third form of give is given. Before third form, we will use is, or am. So the passive voice of give is given. And now present continuous tense. Present continuous tense, the structure of present continuous tense is helping verb plus present participle, ing form of the verb, is giving. And in passive voice, we will use is being plus third form of the verb given, is being or being. Now present perfect tense. In present perfect tense, we use have and or has before third form of the verb. In present perfect, third form of the verb is used. Has given. And in passive voice, we will use has been given or have been given. Now, past continuous. Keep it in mind that there is no passive voice on present perfect continuous tense. Now past simple. In past simple we use past form of the verb, means second form of the verb. It is gave. The second form, the past of give is gave. And in passive voice we will use was or were before third form of the verb. The third form of give is given. So I have used was given. Was given is passive voice. Past continuous tense. In past continuous tense, we use was or were before present participle, ing form of the verb, giving. Was giving is a past continuous. And in passive voice, we will use was being given. Was being before third form of the verb, we will use was being or were being. Past perfect tense. In past perfect tense, third form of the verb is used and its helping verb is only had. Had given. This is active voice. And in passive voice, we will use been. Had been given. This is the passive voice in past perfect tense. But in past perfect continuous tense, there is no concept of passive voice. Now, future simple. In future simple, we use the first form of the verb and its helping verb is will or shall. Will give, shall give. It is a future simple. And in passive voice, we will use be after will or shall and then third form of the verb. So the passive voice of will give is will be given. Will be given. There is no concept of passive voice in future continuous tense. Now future perfect tense. In future perfect tense, we use third form of the verb and before it we use will have or shall have. In passive voice, we will use been before third form of the verb. So the passive voice of will have given is will have been given. Will have been given. And there is no concept of passive voice in future perfect continuous tense. Now we do exercise 2. Exercise number 2. Complete the following news report using the correct form of the passive using the verb given in brackets. Here the verbs are given in brackets. Now we have to use these verbs in passive voice. Let's read the news. The northern part of the country dash hit by a massive earthquake this morning. The third form of the verb hit is also hit. We will use past. We will use past passive verb. Hit was hit. The northern part of the country was hit. Was hit by a massive earthquake this morning. The entire infrastructure, here the verb has been given damage. The past participle of the damage will be damaged. The entire infrastructure was damaged. Was damaged very badly. The roads dash break. The third form of break is broken. The roads have been broken. The roads have broken. The telephone lines destroyed. The telephone lines have been destroyed. The telephone lines have been destroyed. The mobile services disrupt. Third form of disrupt is disrupted. The telephone lines, the mobile services have been disrupted. have been disrupted. The people scare. We will use present, scared. Third form of scare is scared. The people are scared. As many aftershocks expect. Verb is expect. Third form of expect is expected. Many aftershocks are expected. Are expected. Food, water, and medical aid are being rushed to the area. Because this is the news of today, so we will use present continuous tense. An appeal is being made. An appeal is being made by the government asking people not to panic. Work, third form of do is done. Work is being done. By the government to enable reaching aid to the remote areas. Funds release, third form of release is released. Funds have been released. Funds have been released by the government to help people in this hour of grief. Now, let's read the whole news again. The northern part of the country was hit by a massive earthquake this morning. The entire infrastructure has been damaged. Not was damaged, but has been damaged. The entire infrastructure has been damaged. Very badly. The roads have been broken, the telephone lines have been destroyed, and mobile services have been disrupted. The people are scared as many aftershocks are expected. Food, water, and medical aid is being rushed to the area. An appeal is being made by the government asking people not to panic. Work is being done by the army to enable reaching of aid to the remote areas. Funds have been released by the government to help people in this hour of grief. Thank you very much.